Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get keyboard emojis in Snapchat. If you are using Snapchat and you want to use keyboard emojis or your chat emojis inside Snapchat, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Snapchat and here simply go for chats and you just have to select the person on the chat in which you want to set your emojis. For example, I'm going to select this one. Here you will get the emoji option and you will get the emojis of your Snapchat. So if you want to add your keyboard emojis here, so let's see how you can do that. You have to access your keyboard. Once you get your keyboard, you have to tap on this emoji option here on your keyboard, and now you just have to send the emojis which you want. So in this way you can easily use your keyboard emojis into your Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.